In this video, I will show you how much Salvage Rebuilds UK makes money on YouTube 2023. Let's get started. He created his channel since March 31, 2019. He has 280,000 subscribers. Until now, total uploaded 692 videos. And now let's go over Salvage Rebuilds UK channel analytics. This is statistics views for Salvage Rebuilds UK channel. Daily views, 35,841 views. Weekly views, 250,800 views. Monthly views, 1,075,000 views. Total views, 86,404,000 views. Next, videos performance on Salvage Rebuilds UK channel. This is the latest videos for Salvage Rebuilds UK channel. This video has gotten 67,000 views and 142,000 views. The estimated income Salvage Rebuilds UK with the latest videos, $268 and $568 since published on YouTube. And this is the most popular video for Salvage Rebuilds UK channel. This video has gotten 3,400,000 views since published on YouTube. The estimated income Salvage Rebuilds UK with the most popular video, $13,600 since published on YouTube. Now, how much Salvage Rebuilds UK makes money on YouTube 2023. And this is the estimated income for Salvage Rebuilds UK channel. Estimated monthly earnings, $4,300. Estimated yearly earnings, $51,600. And the last, the estimated all-time revenue Salvage Rebuilds UK channel, $345,616.